Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Here is the title of our product, Large Scale Location Prediction for Web Pages. And this is our product abstract. We propose an efficient and scalable system for web page location prediction by leveraging the query URL click graphs, or proposed model with the URL click weight performance significantly better than using uniform weights in the existing system. The first step is to load the URL crawl dataset in the database, and after that we have process the user query and initiate the keyword search process to find the related protocol address. This process finds all the locations to capture the location information for both location and non-location terms. And we have implemented a method to learn a weight for each location term vector, and it will capture its impact on location prediction automatically. It captures the rank of different term location vectors more accurately. The results are better, particularly when the precision is low. Our model is benefited from the non-location terms and can successfully predict locations very accurate and handles the tokenization error in the web pages. And based on the location vector weight, we found the ranking performance for overall data and model for the location sensitive queries. It will meaningfully improve the performance. And here is the flow diagram of our product. First is the data loading. We are loading the URL data. We propose a novel and scalable framework for location prediction of web pages based on the user's URL query. Content information of e-commerce web pages, such as it contains URLs, product name, product description, product reviews, has been widely adapted for location prediction. We explore both location and non-location terms for location prediction from a new perspective, and propose a novel location prediction framework based on the query URL click graph. And next is the location vector weight. We process a method to learn a weight for each term to capture vector automatically its impact on location prediction. URL contents can be very noisy for location prediction. Here we are introducing the natural language processing location prediction based on location terms and non-location terms. We introduce the concept of term location vectors to model the relations between the terms and locations via URL query click graph. In this process, we have removed the stop words in the location prediction due to some locations term may carry rich local information. Finally, we find the weight of each term location vector automatically to capture its impact on location prediction. And then is the query user process. Based on the user query, we initialize the keyword search to process the related protocol address. If the keyword is not matched, it will return the null value. The clicked URL should relate to the location, the queries, and the number of clicks further reflects user confidence about how relevant this URL to the query location. And then next is the keyword prediction. With the result of the weight for each term location vector, we will capture the importance for location prediction and identify the keyword prediction based on the user query. Given the term location vectors and URL location labels, we found the regression model to get a weight per term location vector and their impacts on web page location prediction. The leverage location prior and linguistic context prior to infer the set of possible location and formulate the location prediction iteratively, update the location set till coverage, and utilizes rich semantic information and improve the performance of location extraction significantly. Finally, we get the query ranking. We further propose a novel location boosting ranking performance model to improve the ranking for location sensitive queries. It shows a promising direction to incorporate location features into location sensitive applications, It considers the distance features and the base relevance at the same time for the final ranking. Similar distance function can be defined to capture other important dimensions in ranking, including popularity, recency, and personalization. Here is the demonstration of our product. First, right click on index page, click run file option, and this is our index page. Click next button, choose file. Here choose the data set and then click open. Load the data, and the data loaded successfully. Click view to the load the database and then click continue. Select location terms. It will take some time to load. And we have find the location terms, and now find the non-location terms. Click continue. Find the term vector weight. And here find the valid vector weight, term vector, overall weight, and then click continue. And type a website name here you want to search, and click search. Click continue. Type your product search on that. Find location and then click continue. Based on your search, you can find the query ranking and then click continue and find the overall ranking. This is the ranking performance, and process is over. Thank you for watching.